Are you hoping to find the love of your life or attracting more love into your life? Are you looking to find more friends for your tribe, to find your soulmate, or even making amends with a family member, a child, a parent, or any other relative? Then you're in the right place. Hi there, my name is Kelly, and today we explore 5 simple but very effective steps to help you raise your vibration of love, to bring the love you desire into your life. But please note, when I talk about love, I'm saying love holistically. So let's get started. First, let me start by asking you to find a comfortable position. Find somewhere that you can relax, that you can focus, possibly take a few deep breaths. So let's start by inhaling deeply through the nose and releasing through the mouth any tension or worries you may carry in your body, and let them melt away. Then let's go to our first step. I will ask if you can close your eyes. We will be working on a visualization for love, so close your eyes, and if you feel comfortable, bring your hands to your heart, and I'm very careful here because of the microphone. So imagine yourself in a loving and fulfilling relationship. And again, I'm talking about relationship in a holistic sense. Feel yourself experiencing all the love, joy, support, and connection that comes with it. Feel this love deeply in your heart and let it radiate throughout your entire being. Feel this emotion of love inside of you. And now let's move to step number 2. Step number 2 is positive affirmations. In this case, you will be working with positive affirmations that resonate with you. And in this case, you can practice, you can recite affirmations the way you want, in meditation, in visualization, or just doing any other activity, because basically you're just repeating sentences, phrases in your mind's eyes. And why affirmations are a very potent tool to reprogram our subconscious mind, because a lot of times it's unconscious, but we tend to carry some type of negative thoughts and feelings that get, stuck in there. So when you use those affirmations, essentially you're reverting these situations. You replace the negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions with positive ones. And if you continue practicing on a daily basis, you see how this substantially impacts your life. Or some phrases or sentences that you can repeat. I'm deserving of a loving and fulfilling relationship. Love flows effortlessly into my life. I am vibrating in the frequency of love. I am attracting a partner who loves and cherishes me. Those are just examples, but feel free to tweak or find anything that resonates with you. And that leads us to step number 3. Essentially, when you practice those affirmations, and this is a very important component here, you feel and you believe in the emotions that come with these affirmations. For instance, imagine yourself experiencing the love you wish to attract or the love you desire, and feel this love fill up your entire being, your entire body, but feel this with your heart. And then this leads us to step number 4, gratitude. And gratitude you can practice through affirmations or meditation, visualization. Again, you can practice the way that it's more comfortable for you, but the idea is to express gratitude for the love you have and for the love you want to attract, because the more grateful you are, the more the universe will bring this love to you. And also, when you practice gratitude, you raise your vibration, so you facilitate the flow of love. And as you practice gratitude affirmations, you see that people will become kinder, more compassionate, and more loving towards you. And I don't mean in a cheesy way, I mean in a way that, the law of attraction. You get what you're vibrating. You're vibrating in love, you receive this love back. Now, this leads us to our final step, and it's a very important step. Step number 5, take inspired action. And with that, be open for the connections you want. Let's say you want to attract the love of your life, your soulmate, a partner, or even want to find your tribe. So put yourself in situations that you can potentially find those people. For instance, join social groups or participate in events or activities that you enjoy and that interest you. Let's say, and this is just one example, you are a tennis enthusiast. Why not join any association or any activity that relates to tennis, or group of people that play tennis in a certain area? The same applies, let's say you love wine. Why not participate in different wine tasting or join groups? I guess you get the idea. And you can find those groups anywhere. One good way that you can find different things is the Meetup. Meetup has group for all kinds of things you can possibly imagine, and this is a good way to get to know and engage with like-minded people. But also social media, it's another way that you can connect with people. And in terms of dating, if this is your thing, you can also join some dating apps. But if this is your thing, you choose what is best for you. But what it's important to note here is that finding love or attracting the love we want is not a matter of just wishing, thinking, and it's not a matter of wishful thinking. It's more about we align our thoughts with our emotions and our actions. And essentially be patient, trust the universe, trust in divine timing, because things only happen when it's supposed to happen, at the time that it's meant for our highest good. So trust in that. On the other hand, if you are someone who tried some of these things, most of the things, you are not getting the results you want, they may be that there are some blockages on your way. And I talk about this specifically in this video. If it is your case, I recommend that you check this out. I talk about things that may be blocking you, and this has to do more with our inner self than outside situations, but I recommend you check that out. And I will also put the link in the description below. So I hope this was helpful, and feel free to leave your comments. But anyway, if you like this type of content and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload my new videos. Other than that, thank you for watching and I see you next time. Take care.